everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapy Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ngenimba. Well guys, ngiyazi mangabe weekend sesin updates ukuthi yini ngasuyilindele ngemidlalo yakho oyithanda kakhulu laphana ke kwi TV ke yakho. Well guys, laphana ke kwinimba nibonile last week ukuthi guys uhleze kushubile hleze kune drama nje entsha. So into enkulu kakhulu ukuthi ke kune betrayal khona between the Zondo Tech and the Khusela Tech ulwandle. So ke bathi ke guys uSydney's search for answers would lead him closer to betraying the wrong man. Obviously the wrong man guys, it will be umawethu. uSydney uzoqala ke asuspect ukuthi no umawethu uyena who's betraying the Zondo Tech because he is angry with ukuthi ulwandle ubuyile and ulwandle yabo nje avele abone endaweni wrong. Bese bethi ke on Wednesday umawethu's world will begin to scramble as suspicions turn into a public humiliation. So guys uqose kwazela ukuthi kahle kahle umuntu obetray iZondo Tech umawethu until uPortia abone ulwandle ekhusela athi oh okay ulwandle kahle kahle uyena ke umuntu ko oyimpimpi uyena ke ibetrayer. So guys kusazoshubaya ngempela mangabe ke uSydney esezwile ukuthi ke ulwandle uyena ke ombetrayayo. Uyabuya guys uAzande from entabeni useyindoda ngoku akaseyona inkwenkwe. Uyabuya ke they will celebrate him, but guys into evelayo enye ukuthi ke there will be a drama between ke uLazarus kanye ke noZoleka. Ngiyacabanga guys ukuthi i drama yabe isuka nje ekutheni uLazarus ke ubetrayer inkampani ngokuthi ke aqashe ulwandle or he's taking ama decisions uZoleka ngahambisani nawo ngokuthi ke athathe u20% wase Zondo Tech. So I think uxabana kwabo kuzoba around those lines. Asazi guys ukuthi kuzokwenzeka la noma ngabe ke umawethu esexoshwa. I don't know, but I feel like umawethu uyogcina buyele ke ekhusela ngoba iZondo Tech I think is the end of it kahle kahle cause bekade beme ngilokhu njana ngekhusela Tech nangama client ayo. So I don't know guys, but I feel like uZondo bekufanele assurishe umawethu ukuthi ke he's part of the company, but yena he decided ukuthi ke glorify his own son ulwandle ogcine sebetray ke yona ke iZondo Tech. So it's gonna be a week la noma a month la kunzima ngempela khona ukuthi kahle kahle ubani kufanele ke athembe ke omunye. Into guys engicabanga ukuthi yenzekile la noma izokwenzeka ukuthi ke uThumeka uzothatha ke uZethu azohlala naye, and uZethu niyazi guys uZethu uyajola une boyfriend and ke guys bathi ke to make a decision to open her home create fresh division inside the Mandla family. Angazi bari ngibone ubaba Mabandla efica ke uZethu kanye ke noXolani belele empetsheni, which I think ikamero lika likamba. I think uThumeka will take uZethu ukuthi azohlala naye, kanti guys uZethu uyajola une boyfriend, so they'll find her with the uXolani and they won't like that. But the decision kaThumeka is to create a division between the Mabandla family. It does make sense though guys, it does make sense. It's just a lot. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.